Yes, come in.
Hi, my name is Vegan, Sales Executive from Print Solution.
Hi, this is Ted, Procurement Manager from Daily Mailers.
Nice to
How
meet
are
you.
you?
Fine, thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. It's finally nice to meet you in person. I know we have some conversation before, but I was trying to catch up for a long time. Unfortunately, we didn't get enough time.
Yeah, but finally we met. It's great to
So
have
how-
conversation.
So how was your date?
So it was a bit busy, but it's good so far. How about you?
Not bad. I'm feeling very lucky to have you in person today.
It's good.
So,
Do you like some tea or coffee?
good, thank you.
It's good.
So how have been? I heard from your assistant that you have been in a vacation. How's that?
That was great. I was 1 week off from my work. I just came back yesterday from my vacation.
Uh,
I have a lot to do.
Yeah, I understand you have a lot to catch up at this moment. You are a very busy person. I will not take you more time. I will just get to the point. So we have discussed about the printer, and after that I had sent you some email with the brochures and specification. I was wondering if you got any chance to so that have you seen or you get enough time?
Yes, I received your mail in my inbox. I just had a quick glance, but I didn't get the chance to read them in detail. I'm sorry about that.
That's all right. That's totally fine. I actually came prepared because I understand about your busy schedule.
Yeah.
So just before I show you that, I have some options. I will show you that. Before I show you that, so that we can manage on time. So can you tell me about what you are facing at this moment? What sort of requirements you are looking for? I understand you are already having, you are pretty not very unhappy with the one you already have, but I believe that you might need some high-end, high-performance solution. But still, if you can give me some details what you actually do and what you are looking for if you want to move to the next one.
Yes, currently we are running 8 stores in Sandy Bay, and we are happy with our photocopiers. Although we are facing several issues like discolored printings, very quick overheating of the photocopier machines, and also it most often we experience paper jam. Moreover, there are vertical unwanted lines appear on the page. There are some things we are facing, but we are okay with that. Not a big deal as well.
Yeah, so yeah, that's not too bad, but I understand why you have to do a lot of printing because uh, from previous discussion I realized that you have to print coupons and different sizes paper and also some official work. So I realized you need to print a lot of things and
Yeah.
also different color and to attract the customers. So the things you have mentioned, which could be easy or it could be easier with the new ones, but maybe you are not facing that difficulties at this moment. But if you consider as a small amount of time, can lead to very big difference. So that's why we have some things to offer, and I will show you. Just take it me a sec, please.
Yes, sure.
So I have some of them prepared, but I think just one quick discussion of your requirement, I will show you one. This one, as you can see, so this will give you that multi-purpose options. For example, this one have a very good color, and do you have any color issue or with your previous printing while you give it to the mail because of durability range? Have you faced any sort of difficulties with that at this moment?
Well, I'll mention some issues at this point because we have to mail the coupons that we print that comes in different sizes
Yeah.
and different materials, paper materials. So we have to put them in the mailbox of the clients. Sometimes due to the weather, rain, sudden rain, unexpected weather issues, the color may get damaged. So we want something that will provide us with premium quality color on the printout. If you have anything, you can show me.
Yeah,
I'm happy to see that.
Yeah, that's what actually I was thinking, because I did some preparation before, so I believe that we have this solution, because this one what we have proposing, this one will have more color options and durable color options, and not only that, it will have multiple sizes of options to print, because your coupon always might not be same sizes. So there are, you can print envelope size, you can print small sizes, different sizes. So I think this will be suitable at color wise and also the size wise. So this one will be very good options. On top of that, I believe that you also, since you already mentioned that you have 8 stores, so I believe there are some customized printing, because not always you might need to add different promotion for different um, stores. So how do you cope up with that? Do you have any difficulties to print from one store to another store at this point?
It could be better if we adopt something more efficient, like using Wi-Fi connection, more improved network to manage the data from one store to another.
Yeah.
Yes, that is actually a missing thing from our business.
Yeah, so that is the value. I think you already saw here that we are providing Wi-Fi connection. You can actually print from different store. So uh, if you can actually print from all the 8 store, or you can it will be easier for you to print from other store. You don't actually need to buy for 8 different photocopier for 8 stores because of this issue. So yes, this one has Wi-Fi issue, which can be covered for all the stores you have. You can print customized printing for all the stores.
So you are saying that I don't have to buy 8 photocopiers,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Because they are connected through a network, so I can send the data from one store to another without buying multiple.
Correct. Yeah.
Lots of photocopiers, because it's a matter of budget.
Yeah.
We do not want to invest a lot of money. We want something efficient.
Of course, that is a big issue. I think this one can solve that. And on top of that, some people have some concern with security while they are doing from different places, remote access. So I can assure you that this printer propose all the high-end technological issues to solve the network security, so that unauthorized access can be eliminated from that. And also I want to show you one other features which you can see here. This one has multiple options to add more capacity of paper. So usually the one I realized that I already checked the model you have, that one only have 500, on its 2 rings of paper capacity, which is 500. So since you have to print a lot of things, and if you want to connect with all the stores, then you need more capacity. So this one, you can actually have 5,000 paper for capacity for one at a time. So you can also extend that. So I think that will be a good options for you. And you can actually extend, as you can see here, you can extend this way. You can extend multiple options here. So that will give you more capacity if you need. If you don't need, if you have space concern, you don't have to actually use that. So that is another good option for you.
That's amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that will be a good add. And the other option I want to show you that this paper is this color is very durable, and also it will save lots of money, and because it will consume less color, so it will actually give you lots of advantage money wise, financially. I know you are a big business at this moment, you don't have enough concern about money, but trust me, sometimes it has some issues. And while you are connecting to other options, other stores, you don't need to buy lots of paper photocopier. That is another good option, another money savior.
Yeah, I would like to know about the ink quality that you are offering to me.
Yeah, ink quality is very good. It's durable, as you mentioned earlier, that you have concern about the rain, because you are giving this liquid to the mailbox sometimes. So sometimes it can wet, but it will be durable, so the quality of the raindrop will not have that damage to the printing solution.
However, as you mentioned earlier about the Wi-Fi connection and the security of the documents, you know, we always care about our customers' privacy.
Yeah.
As the photocopiers will be connected to networks, how will you guarantee the network security?
Yeah, so that is actually a very good question. But the thing is, this one has security for all the network options, all the high-end authentication. So once everything is printed, it will be deleted. So no one can actually, this will not save data unless you want to. So
Okay.
even if you want, you can access data from previous printing or previous session. That is fine because you can't do it without authentication, without password security. So I think that will not be very big concern at this moment. So yeah, that is really a good option. And one more thing I need to mention that this one give you this option for suggesting or eliminating QA. So if you have multiple devices connected to this copier, so what happens sometimes all the people are sending copies or sending printing requests at the same time, but let's say whichever comes first, that will be printed. But if you need something immediately, let's say you have to print one copy or two copies suddenly, and you need that immediately while you have 500 paper or 500 requests already there, so it will go back to that request. But for this one, you have that option to set one device as a priority device. So while you need something instantly, you can use that device to print. That will eliminate all the QE and you can print directly.
Oh, that's awesome. That sounds good.
Yeah. So that is the thing and also this the price is not that high, and comparing when you have lots of things to cover, I don't think price will be very big issues here. So yeah, pretty much that's the basic information I can share you. And do you have any other concern? What do you think about this?
Um, Interested about the network security, something that you have proposed, you have mentioned. That is something very important that I'll mention to our team member to acknowledge that what they want, what is their opinion, and also the ink quality to prevent from damage from rain, that you say that you can ensure that from your photocopiers.
Yeah.
These are the two concerns. Happy about these two things that I'll take into my considerations.
Yeah, that sounds really good, and I hope that you are convinced. So that since I don't have meeting with other your team members, so I hope you are convinced so that you can convince them. Or if you have any other concern, you can email me, or we can set up for another meeting, and then you can share me. I hope I can. I believe I can offer you some other things if you have any other concern. If you are not convinced, I hope I can. Give you some other opportunities features. We actually have lots of features here already, which I think there are some secondary features, but at this point, all these features I have mentioned is the basic ones. And there are some other features as well. So I hope you are convinced so that you can convince others for me and on behalf of me. So what do you think?
I'll let you know through email.
Yeah.
And what do you think for my 8 store? How many photocopiers should I require?
So you can only use this one, yeah, because it's connected to internet. You can use only this one to connect all the.
Two?
Yeah, you can connect everything, all the stores. You can print for all store with only one single copier. All you need to do is just go to another store and bring the copy. That's it.
Alright, that sounds great. That's amazing.
Yeah.
So in our next email, I'll let you know if we are gonna take it to further, like contract or something. Get in touch with you in our next email.
Yeah, that sounds really good, and I hope to get your email very soon. And thank you for your time.
No worries.
Hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.